everyone, welcome back to How to Doctor. In this video, let me show you on how to recover deleted chats on Instagram. Let's start this tutorial by opening the Instagram app and log into your account. Next, tap on your profile icon on the lower right corner. Now tap three lines at the top right corner. In here, tap Account Center, and then under the account settings, tap your information and permissions. Next, tap Download your information. And here, tap Download or Transfer Information, and then select your Instagram account. Tap Next below to proceed. Now select some of your information, and then here, check the box beside Messages, and then tap Next below. After that, choose Download to device. Next, create files to download by selecting the date range of the deleted chats that you want to recover. You can adjust the settings here if you want, but for now, let's leave it as it is. Tap Create Files below, and then you need to wait for a while before you can download the file. The Meta will email you once it's ready. It may take up to a few days, and once you receive the email, simply open the link they will provide and follow the necessary steps in the downloading the file on the email. That's basically it. Thanks for tuning in to How to Doctor. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.